Hi, Wes Lee with your weekly Mesonet Weather Report. Extremely unstable air this past week brought numerous severe weather threats. Multiple tornadoes, hail, and heavy rains blanketed the state, causing widespread flooding. The 5-day rainfall map from May 22nd shows incredible amounts in the northeast quadrant of the state. The orange areas are in the 6+ and the reds 8 and 9 inches of rain. Skytook would win the award that nobody wants with 9.47 inches. Closely behind is Pawnee receiving 9.11 inches. Soils were already wet over most of the state when these storms began. Now the entire state, even the Panhandle, is showing fully saturated soils. This map from Wednesday shows bare soil 4-inch fractional water index levels of 1 at all but 4 stations, and they were at 0.9. Remember, 1 is the top of the wetness scale. All this water had to go somewhere, and that was our rivers, lakes, and streams. This is the current flood advisory warnings as of May 22nd. It's primarily focused in the northeast section that received the heaviest rainfall. Lake levels are brimming full across the state. All but Atoka, where dam work is being done, are above the normal pool stage and into the flood pool stage. Many are within a few feet of even that being full, with more rain expected next week. Now here's Gary with more on rainfall information.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, rain is obviously the name of the game this week. We have no drought in Oklahoma. And frankly, if you do have some drought, let me know, because I'm ready for a little bit of drought. For the spring thus far, we have a wide range of values across the state, but all of them are good. Some of them are too good, of course, but in the main body of the state, from about 9 inches to more than 20 inches of rainfall across parts of the area, especially across central, northeastern, and southeastern Oklahoma. Those are those big values. And in the Panhandle, we have 3 to 5 inches in the western Panhandle, which isn't too much above normal, but it is near normal. So the departure from normal rainfall maps, we do see much of the state above normal by at least a couple of inches. And then as we go from west central up through northeastern Oklahoma, we see those values 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, even as much as 12 inches above normal some areas. And that's the reason for that drastic flooding, catastrophic flooding in some areas. Now, if you look at the percent of normal for that time frame, March 1st through May 21st, again, almost all the state is above normal to some degree. Some of it drastically above normal, as much as 240% above normal for spring. And that's what's so significant, is this is occurring during spring, our wettest time of the year. You know, it extends up into the latter parts of June as well. But having a drastically wet spring means you are drastically wet to a greater degree. So we are seeing one of the wettest Mays on record, certainly not as drastic as the May of 2015 that ended up being the wettest month in the state's history, but we are exceptionally wet this May, which makes us exceptionally wet this spring. Hopefully we can start to dry out and get things a little bit more normal around here as we approach the summer months. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.